Hey, what's up, you guys? Today we are doing some more adventuring in the Adirondacks. Today we are trying to find the ghost town of Tahawus. We found this furnace so far. Let's see if we can find the rest of it. We got the squad here.
Here.
Faye's here. Dylan's here. Brian ran up ahead. Adventure time.
Adventure.
Adventure. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, so it used to be like a bigger building.
Yeah.
Oh, this is cool.
I bet I could climb to the top.
I'm sure my whole audience would love to see you try. See, like, because once you got to there, then it's just like a ladder.
Yeah. It's easy.
And you're tall, you could reach.
Yeah. It's just like the Jacob ladder we had.
Do you think they closed this off with a gate so people wouldn't try and climb through there?
Yes.
Oh, this is a pretty sturdy gate. Lame. Maybe.
Maybe.
Oh. Cool.
I was thinking it was an air receiver.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely air receiver.
Yeah. These red leaves that just like stick out from everything else.
Retreat!
Wait.
Woo! Oh, so pretty. I'm exploring. Oh, it's like there's like some floor in the water over here. Some floor. Look at that.
Entire floor.
I love the red berries. The red just pops.
Those look super edible, Lindsay. You should try one.
I'll get right on that.
What is this red rock here? Is it brick? Yes.
Fancy. It looks like something off Mars.
It's definitely from Mars and not from the brick factory that used to be right here.
I'm gonna go with Mars. Definitely Mars. I'd say Mars. We are continuing on. Oh, that is boarded up. Hey.
Let's never stop anyone.
Board and a padlock.
We're getting in one of these fucking buildings.
Oh yeah, we are. It was a bank. I think they left. Yeah, right?
I have a Leatherman. I can start unscrewing screws.
Dylan, you're good at that. You unscrewed a lot of screws in the military.
What's that little room down there?
What are the odds that door is unlocked? Yeah, what's with these fences? Lame.
This is the only thing that remains of this building.
Oh, wow, there's a lot here.
This is the Lazy Lodge.
And we'll be taking a brick from it when we leave.
It's like the whole building was made of brick. Why is it just fireplaces left?
These are probably the stronger, it's like stronger bricks, right? Or whatever.
Built in 1932, Taylor was a third-generation resident of the Tahawus Club. I messed it up. I messed it up.
Man. Yeah.
That's like so cool.
I know, right? I remember reading online that one of the main reasons that it stopped being a mining town was because it was just so hard to like transport stuff to and from here because we're in like the middle of
The Mount Sun.
Yes, exactly. Horse-drawn wagons and sleighs.
What a world.
A wooden railroad. Oh yeah. Really, I guess water is probably.
Got a brick. It's an old brick.
Yeah.
It is a very old brick.
Sometime in the 1800s.
This is a brick older than all of us combined?
Yes.
Yeah.
Love that.
I am learning so much.
Oh, look at this. There's a whole rock over there. Let's go this way.
Nice.
Look at it. Oh, look, this is where I just was.
Oh, it was. What's the point of the fence? So after realizing that this place wasn't as big as we thought it was, we decided to chill by the river and have a little boat race. Guys, I built a boat and I'm going to sail it. Jess, how's your boat coming? This is a great activity. Faye's still building her boat. She's working really hard on it. Is your boat coming, Bae?
Oh, look at my boat!
I love it. It's perfect. Okay, we all got different sizes and shapes for the boat race. Let's do it, guys.
SS. No, the stick boat. Boat stick.
The SS boat stick. Love it.
You free my child.
Oh. His turn. Oh my God. No!
Oh, it's dead. I think yours made it the furthest though, without dying first.
I'm rebuilding my boat. You're doing great. Stop. Reconstructed.
The SS success.
The SS success. Maybe we'll try harder next time. Trek on.
Trek on.
Ooh, an open door?
Guess who's going in it?
All of us.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's dope.
Jesus Christ.
Ginger?
That looks like it's held together real well.
Yeah, it's a room. There's a hole back here.
Oh boy.
Oh, it goes to a basement.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does. Oh, and it's filled with water.
Wait, could you just point this down there?
Yes. How terrifying. I have a super great flashlight in the car,
Aww. Ooh, you can kind of like come over here.
Oh, okay.
Ah. Okay, that makes sense. Can you see inside it?
Yeah, so this is just that one room.
Oh.
Where we look down. It's all sealed off.
Oh, where all the sea monsters party.
So we're gonna die in like, what, 50 years?
Probably. Maybe sooner. Does that not go with your agenda?
Not really.
Not really. I had something to do 51 years from now, but not anymore. We reached the end of the town. You can like get into the High Peaks Wilderness area from here, like Mount Marcy, which is pretty dope because the parking is free.
12 screws just to get that off.
Easy peasy.
Oh, I thought it was open. I was so short.
There's a go!
You have a hairpin?
Ooh, I bet if we guess the right combination, the key's in there. What year was this place?
Who knows? Try 6969.
All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining us on our fun little adventure today, and we will catch y'all on the next one.